to our channel. It's My Life Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We were going to Thai restaurant with Georgie and from Dubai. Let's go.
Yes, Georgi will show us where Thai restaurant because it's near.
It's 300 meters
from Kandi. Okay, let's go. Show to us where. Start little bit rain, I don't know, maybe only little bit and stop soon. So we already arrived.
Yes.
Patches. Okay, let's go. Varan Resto. Okay, Shaira, let's go. Okay, go. Go inside, Shaira. Thai restaurant. It's inside. The aircon. So where? Maybe outside? Yeah, aircon.
No, she tell inside.
Inside. Okay.
We ordered some Thai fried rice. So it's seafood variant. It's total of 210. It's for 2 to 3 person. And that we they're gonna show the noodles.
No, it's shrimp. Tom yum kun.
Oh, okay.
Tom yum kun.
3 person also, right?
Yes, 2 or 3.
How much is it?
250.
250. So we finished already eat here in Thai restaurant in Hansonville, right? It's Hansonville.
Patches
Yes.
Thai restaurant. Yes.
So we ate some rice, so it's good also. And
I order Tom yum kung. It's soup with shrimps made with coconut milk, and it was spicy. Yes, but good taste.
Like in Thailand.
Yes, like in Thailand.
But for you, Shaira.
but the rice, it's more better in SM Clark. You have there also a Thai food. It's almost better in Thai SM.
In the same Clark weather.
Yes. For me, it's better in SM Clark. Thank you for watching. Salamat.
Okay.